So how are you guys? In this video we are going to talk about English class in Gupta Coaching Center. Yes, you listened right. But you may be thinking that why English class? Why English class is necessary for you? For your information, I want to tell you that after class 12th you are going to face many challenges. For example, you have to get a job after class 12th. You should be a very good communicator in English, and you have to be a very good communicator in English, because if you communicate in English, then you will get a job in MNCs, that means multinational companies. If you really want to get a very good package and you want to grow in your career, then English is really necessary. If you really want to achieve something in your life, then you have to believe in yourself that you can learn English, and you have to learn English. Actually, English is just a language. And why it is becoming so useful to us? The reason it is very important to us is that our world is getting globalized. In today's world, you know very well that everywhere we can use English to communicate with any person. If you are thinking that you don't want to do job in your future, don't worry. I know that some of you will not do job in your future, but maybe you want to be a businessman and you want to do a business. And if you want to grow business, then you will have to convince those clients who is belonging from the foreigners and who don't know the language of yours. So that time also you need English. And you don't just have to learn this language. Actually, you have to be a perfect communicator. You have to speak English without stammering and without any hesitation, and with full of confidence. So in English class in Gupta Coaching Center, we not only teach students that how to speak English, but we also teach them that how to communicate in English with full of confidence. The main feature of English class in Gupta Coaching Center is that you will learn English as well as you will practice English here, because here you will get the English environment where all of your friends, all of your colleagues will speak in English with you, and you will also reply to them in English language. And that is the reason it is so important for you to join our English speaking course in Gupta Coaching Center, because we are not teaching you that how to speak English, but also we are providing an environment where you can immerse yourself in this environment, and you will start noticing that you are really getting fluent in English. Learning English is not only the matter is that you have to learn English as well as you have to be a perfect communicator with full of fluency and proper confidence. And also here you will develop a very important skill of the life, and that is stage speaking or public speaking. A study shows that people are very fearful about public speaking because people are not able to come in front of millions of people, thousands of people. Actually, they don't have practice. They have never faced millions of people or thousands of people around them, and they generally don't communicate with them. This is also a very important skill in your life. If you are able to communicate with thousands, if you are able to share your thought process, if you are able to share your internal feelings to other, it doesn't matter how many people are there in front of you. It really does not matter. But if you know that how to handle all those people, and if you know how to communicate, how to express your internal views in front of those others without hesitation and without lower confidence, then you will become a very good leader. Yes, right. It is a very good quality of every leader in this world that every leader is a very good communicator in English. So if you really want to be a leader in your life, because you don't have to be a follower, I know that you want to be a leader, and to become leader you need to mastery in the skill of public speaking. If you don't know how to express your internal views in front of public, then how you will grow in your future, then how you will grow in your career, and how you will get success. So to get success there is needed to mastery in some skills, and public speaking is one of the most important skill which you need to mastery within. So English speaking class in Gupta Coaching Center is really important for you, for everyone. If you are a child, if you are studying in class 10th, if you are studying in class 12th, and if you are a graduated person, and if you are a working professional, it doesn't matter. You all need to learn English, as well as you have to be a perfect communicator in English, and you also have to develop a leadership skill, and that is public speaking skill. If you learn the public speaking skill, then you will finally succeed in your career and your business. So everyone can join this English speaking course. If you are the student of class 6th, and if you are the student of class 10th, and if you are the student of class 12th, it doesn't matter in which class do you study. It starts from class 6th and it ends to never. That means at least you should have completed your class 5th, so that you would be able to understand all the topics in the English class. So you all can join English speaking course from 1st of January. Yes, you listened right. From 1st of January, the new batch for English speaking course is going to start, just for you, just for your growth. If you are a student, you must join this English speaking course, so that you can get a very good marks in your English subject. And if you are a working professional, that it is compulsory and mandatory for you to join the English speaking course, because if you will join the English speaking course, then you will really grow in your business or your profession. If you are a working professional, it is necessary, and I think you know very well. So thank you so much guys for watching this video till the end. I hope you will found this video so useful. Keep watching. Namaste.